Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something sweet, tangy, and absolutely irresistible. Pineapple glazed chicken wings. The wings are golden, coated in a shiny glaze, and bursting with fruity flavor. Trust me, once you taste this, you won't stop at one bite. Alright, let's start cooking. First, I've got some chicken wings here. I'm cutting each one in half so they soak up the flavor better. Now add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. That helps remove any gamey smell. Rub it in well until it gets a little sticky. Then sprinkle in 3 to 4 tablespoons of flour. Mix it through and give it a good scrub. Add some water and rinse everything clean. The flour helps pull out any impurities, leaving the wings extra clean. Now make sure you pat them completely dry. This step is super important for good marination. Let's season the wings. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it all together and let them sit for about 10 minutes. Next, cut up half a pineapple into thick slices. Let's make the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon white vinegar, plus a teaspoon of salt, and 100 milliliters of water. Stir it well. Everything is ready, time to cook. Heat some oil in the wok and stir fry the wings. Let one side turn golden and crispy before flipping them over. Once both sides are nicely browned, take them out. In the same wok, toss in the pineapple slices. Stir fry until they get a little color and that sweet aroma fills the kitchen. Now add the wings back in. Pour in our sauce. Cover and simmer on low heat for about 2 minutes. Open the lid and look at that. The sauce is glossy, the aroma is incredible. Give it a quick stir, and it's done. Just look at these wings. Golden, shiny, and coated in that sweet, tangy glaze. Who could say no to this? Alright, let me take a bite first. Oh wow, juicy, flavorful, slightly sweet. Absolutely delicious. This dish is a total crowd pleaser. You've got to try it at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.